Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine oil and filter in a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. Procedures will be similar for most Tacoma models from 2005 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. If needed, chock the rear wheels and lift and support the front end of the truck. Locate the oil drain plug and position your drain pan underneath it. Use your ratchet and 14mm socket with an extension to loosen the oil drain plug. Take it the rest of the way out by hand and let the oil drain completely. You can also remove the oil fill cap on the engine to allow oil to drain more quickly. While the oil drains, you can access the oil filter in the engine bay. Position shop towels or rags below the filter before you unscrew it. Use a filter wrench if necessary and remove the filter by turning it counterclockwise. Make sure the old O-ring came off with the filter when you removed it. Once all the oil is drained, use a shop towel or rag to wipe down the filter mounting area, the drain plug, and the drain port on the oil pan. Install a new crush washer on your drain plug and thread the plug into place by hand. Use a torque wrench and your 14mm socket with extension to tighten the plug to 30 foot-pounds. Lubricate the O-ring on your new oil filter with some fresh engine oil. Spin the filter into place until it's seated against the block. Then give it 3/4 of a turn to secure and seal it. Once the drain plug and new filter are secure, if you haven't already, remove the oil fill cap. This truck has over 75,000 miles, so we'll be using Syntec full synthetic high mileage. Once the oil level is refilled, replace the oil fill cap. Remove the drain pan from underneath the truck. If you raise the front end, remove the jack stands, lower the front end, and remove the wheel chocks. Now find the engine oil dipstick, remove it, and use a shop towel or rag to wipe it off. Insert the dipstick again and check it to make sure the oil level is within the safe operating range indicated on the dipstick. Before closing the hood, start the engine and let it run until it's warm. Check under the front end for any leaks. Turn the engine off and use the dipstick to check the oil level once more. If everything looks good, close the hood. To reset the oil change indicator, turn the key in the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Set the odometer's ODO trip indication to ODO trip A. Press and hold the reset switch while turning the key in the ignition to off and then on again. Continue to hold the reset switch again for at least 5 more seconds until the oil life meter resets. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.